Hey everybody, I picked up these Gorilla Slipstick pads and I just wanted to tell you about them, why I picked them up, and what I like about them. So I have two young and full of life boys and we got them a bunk bed, but as you can see, it's on wood flooring. And without these pads, this bed was slipping all around back and forth, especially with the excitement of two boys and a bunk bed. They were going up and down, jumping off of it, and I just did not feel secure with them being able to do that while the bed would move. And so I picked these up off of Amazon, said, hey, I'll give them a try, see what happens. And I'll tell you what, this thing is rock solid. This thing does not want to move. These pads have almost suctioned this bed to the floor and it does not move an inch, and I am thoroughly impressed with these Gorilla pads. All I did was take them out, slide them under, and away we went. So if you're looking for something that's non-stick, that's safe for wood floors, I would highly recommend these Gorilla pads.